Multiple choice questions, MCQs. 1. Which process is used to purify metals to the desired purity? Hint: this step removes impurities after extraction. A. Smelting. B. Refining. C. Grinding. D. Concentration. Correct answer: B. Refining. 2. How do catalysts speed up chemical reactions? Hint: catalysts change the reaction pathway. A. By increasing the activation energy. B. By providing an alternative pathway with lower activation energy. C. By being consumed in the reaction. D. By increasing the temperature of the reaction. Correct answer: B. By providing an alternative pathway with lower activation energy. 3. X-ray crystallography is primarily used to. Hint: it helps study internal atomic arrangement. A. Measure the density of materials. B. Determine atomic structures. C. Conduct chemical reactions. D. Separate metal ores. Correct answer: B. Determine atomic structures. 4. Which material is known for its high thermal resistance and brittleness? Hint: used in tiles, glassware, and insulators. A. Metal. B. Polymer. C. Ceramic. D. Composite. Correct answer: C. Ceramic. Heating a metal to a specific temperature and then cooling it slowly to remove internal stresses and improve ductility is called. Hint: a heat treatment process. A. Annealing. B. Quenching. C. Machining. D. Forging. Correct answer: A. Annealing. 6. Tiles are made from. Hint: common ceramic raw materials. A. Silica. B. Glass. C. Porcelain. D. All of these. Correct answer: D. All of these. 7. The concentrated ore is heated in air below its melting point and converted into oxide. This process is called. Hint: used mainly for sulfide ores. A. Concentration. B. Smelting. C. Roasting. D. Bessemerization. Correct answer: C. Roasting. 8. Which of the following materials is not considered a ceramic? Hint: one option is a polymer. A. Cement. B. Nylon. C. Glass. D. Porcelain. Correct answer: B. Nylon.